Remember I showed you Milwaukee pack out, the way it slides in with one little latchet and stays together. Well, guess what? I'm going to show you a couple more things over here. First of all, look at this cart. This is way bigger one, and also if you bring a lot of tools, it actually slides down. The wheels are much bigger, and this time they're rubber. Look at that tool holder over here. Let's transfer some of these things. So start with this bucket. Kind of harder to really line it up on these things. Oh, there you go. That's it. Actually, not too hard. Okay, next one. Lock it in, and look how much more space you got. Boom, lift it up and go. Looks like another pretty unique part over here. You can go like that. But beside this awesome cart over here, what else have I gotten? I actually got just wheels. Looks like there's a little bit of assembly required, but not too much. Check this out. All I have to do is just pack in the wheels. Little ones goes on the front, big ones on the top, and then we'll just pop them in. I think this is for that way, so it doesn't push away whenever you lock it in. You just step on it. Let's try it out. Yeah, for sure. You step on it, lock it in, and grab it, and whenever you want this to go forward, let's say I can do it by hand. Look, you can just push it around. Gotta figure it out how to do it with my legs. You can have these wheels in the shop, and look, you can bring it up and down. So Milwaukee going above and beyond, because check out what else I have here. A light system. Who does not need a work light? Check this out. There's a latchet over here, so you put it over here. Actually, we gotta flip it over. Whoa. So the latchet will be on the front right here. Boom, lock it. Then you have here, first of all, you want to remove the plastic things in case you turn it on. You don't want to melt them in case it gets hot. And then there is light. Check this out. You can twist them, turn them, go upside down, up and down, sideways. Wanna light up the ceiling, no problem. This side. Then you can close them. You can turn them so that way you don't damage the glass. You put it like that. There's on and off. There's Milwaukee battery, nice. I don't have any Milwaukee battery on or mood, and it looks like the whole thing is plugged up. Actually, look at it. You don't need battery. What's in here? This is like a extra battery compartment and USB charger phone, and if your battery is out, you can plug it in into the actual extension cord and have the light. Okay, got my extension cord. Let's plug it in. Okay, flip it over and turn it on. There's a mood. So yeah, just different lights turn on, and this is the dimmer or brighter. But because we plugged in, we can just do it on a brighter setting. Check this out. It's pretty amazing. And again, you can flip them down, light up the ceiling or whatever. So unique. I really like this station over here, light station. So then when you're done with it, you just close it back up and unplug it. You can put a battery into here and charge up your phone at the same time. There's a battery on the other side. You can charge up your phone or have an extra battery. Really amazing. And whenever you're done with it, you grab it, put it in a different section. Let's say you don't want to bring it with you, you can put it on this one. Unfortunately, one of these halves will not work with the buckets. They have literally everything. This thing is so amazing. Milwaukee is pack out. Really blew my mind with the gadgets that is attached, detached. So we're looking for this one latchet, that's all we have to worry about. Boom, lock in. Amazing. There's a handle, you see it's all locked up. Okay, there's a 1, 2, 0. So powerful, less power. Let's turn it. So sharp back on wheels too, you don't have to worry about nothing. You got right here, unlocks, very easy, locks on, off, put it away. How much does it stretch out? A long time, very far. Also you could probably go attachment, make it even longer. What's in here? Looks like it comes out both sides. Boom. You got a little filter over here. That's it. That's all you have to replace. Beautiful. So it looks like wet and dry, most likely, because that's what shop vacs are for. Oh wait, there is another latch. It's over here. Let's figure it out what we got here. A couple of extenders. That's good. Another attachment. Let me show you how easy to take it off from this thing. That's where the battery will go, so that way you could use shop vacuum on the battery. That's pretty unique, that's for sure. Step over here, pack it back in. Okay, put the attachment back in, lock it up. You can use it on these wheels, or you can take it off, release it, actually use it. Milwaukee pack out. That thing is amazing. Again, wanna plug it back in, lock it in. Unfortunately, I don't see the plug, so it has to work off of batteries. Maybe it's in here, so that's a little minus. Yeah, it has to work off of batteries. I like the modules. You can build your own module over here. You wanna use it on some other one right here. Let me move that. Put it on this one. And you see how we have half taken, we can put another half over here, and boom, it's no problem. 2 little halves over here, but this one's different sizes, so we won't be able to put another one on. You want to plug it in all of them, but if you put it on top of it, that's perfect. So yeah, pretty amazing. Shop vac, wheels, more carts. What else do we need? Who knows, maybe I'll find it, I'll show you more. This is amazing toolboxes to go.